Finally, we found it after our hiking. Then look, oh. Mane! Mami Junisha!
All we hear is Radio Gaga.
We're going up the...
Oh, picture ka dito sa view, dali.
Sana in-edit mo na yung mukha ko.
Tapos?
Kasi ibang bulak sa likod.
Hi,
oh, happy naman sila, oh. Okay, one last shopping. Okay, you're welcome. Gusto ko yung may dala tayong SM bag. Since it's our last night here, we're taking the double-decker bus.
Let's talk about love.
Day 5 here in Hong Kong, and we are having our first meal of the day. As much as we wanted to eat in other restaurants, ito yung accessible, ito yung pinakanakita namin agad. So I think if there's one thing na hindi namin masyadong nagawa dito is yung mag food crawl or food trip masyado. Pero nakapag street food naman kami. Yeah, mamaya. Anyway, if it's your first time to see me, my name is Bryce. Oh, wait lang. Oh, ayan.
Omni
and Bryce, and together with our kids, we're hashtag the Clingy fam. Make sure to subscribe if you're into, if you're into family content, marriage, parenting, or anything family. Also follow us on TikTok, Facebook, and Instagram at Omni and Bryce. So we started late, yeah, like around 3 o'clock na, which is intentional kasi we had to rest. Yesterday we came from where?
Disneyland.
Who did you meet?
Moana.
Yeah, so make sure you also watch our previous Hong Kong vlogs. How much is this meal, mahal?
Kanina 216. Nadagdagan ng $12 dahil pinaka-ice.
Raining. Ang ulan, guys, grabe. Look, oh. Finally, we found it after our hiking. The picture. Ang ganda ni Mami. You wanna see Ariana Grande? Who else do you wanna see? Katy Perry? Pia Wurtzbach is here. Di ba remember you met Pia Wurtzbach before? Hindi lang ako sure kung may enjoy tayong view. Oh yeah, we have tickets already. So yeah. Here? Okay. Oh, no eating. Okay, go Sed. Go push it. Oh, sorry. Lumusot. It looks so real. Yeah. You don't remember this ate, di ba? Kasi we didn't go through here. Oh my, this is so good. Oh, move. Okay. Alright, line up na here. Let's look for a good spot. Parang at the back lab ko. Alright.
Oh my gosh.
Why? Huh?
It's very slow.
You're so excited?
Yes, eh.
Oh, Sed, look at that.
Oh no, watch that.
Are you ready, Sed?
Oh my gosh, what that?
Hi, Mami. So from here, guys, you're supposed to see Hong Kong. Umayos yung mata niya, mahal.
Oo nga.
Sed, look, oh. Mukhang maulan sa taas mamaya.
Oh my gosh, it's so foggy again.
Boy, look my boy, oh. We're on top of the building. Ang ganda ng view. Tingnan nyo naman, guys. Ay, mali. Oh, I think we're here. Is it na? Oh, there. End of the journey. We're supposed to go here sa Sky Terrace, but we're not sure if we could still do dahil sa lakas ng kapal ng fog. Yeah.
Bought something here before.
Yeah. Para mga stickers ata. Ay, ref magnet. There. Doctor Strange. Oh, let's go here. Oh, I think here's the entrance. Let's go. There. The party starts here. Tooks. Oh, hi. Say hi to your fans. You want a picture? With Angelina Jolie? Dwayne Johnson. Wow.
That's Maui.
Maui.
I see what's happening, yeah.
Someone's rushing to Pia Wurtzbach. Okay. Brad Pitt. Wait for your turn.
Solo muna, solo.
Hello, Pia. Alright, go. Oh, you have to pose here. Go back here and then pose. Yes. Si Sed sumali. You have to stop here, ha? Okay. Okay, go. Said excuse. Okay. Say hi. Barack Obama. Michelle is the wife. And the very controversial Donald Trump.
Michelle, yun!
Michelle Yo! Oh wait, dito muna tayo. Paikot na gano'n, di ba? Tama ba? Marilyn Monroe. This?
Yes, that's all.
Oh, go have breakfast with her. Go dance. Come on. Yeah. All right. You know Michelle Yeoh? She just won an Oscars. Okay, that's good. Wait, Jackie Chan. Oh, said another attack here. Said Bruce Lee. Tito Japoy said, oh. No, I'm just kidding. Oh, Stephen Curry. Yeah. Chicken curry. Charot. Si Yao Ming. Whoa. Oh, syempre. Mane! Mami Yunisha! Ay, diba?
All we hear is Radio Gaga, Radio Good, Radio Gaga. Take me to your 11
Octopus yan. It's Michael Jackson. Oh my goodness. Fangirling with Ariana Grande and Lady Gaga.
Gaga.
Is it? Oh, come on. Picture. Marvel. Oh, picture ka. Oh wait, picture with Spider-Man. Come here. Oh, that's so giant. Iron Man. Oh, so this enjoying. Careful. Picture? Okay, wait. Is this going out? Oh yeah. What? There's a Blackpink art. Oh, let's go. So we're going up the Sky Terrace. Here's the ticket price, but we actually bought ours from Look. What? Oh my goodness. Let's see. Well, it's not raining anymore. Ito siya supposedly. Ito, oh, enjoy nyo na to guys. Ito na yon. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. This is like the cable 360 with clouds. So, this is Hong Kong. If you see it, guys, try your best. Grabe, ang ganda ng view dito, oh. Kita nyo ba? Wala.
Foggy afternoon.
Actually, mami, ang purpose lang nito talaga is para makapag-jacket ako. Na-achieve ko naman. Kasi malamig.
Oh, ikot ka. Oh, sige. Oh, ha? Oh, ayos ba? Oh, picture ka dito sa view, dali.
Sana in-edit mo na yung mukha ko.
Tapos?
Kasi ibang bulak sa likod.
Hindi, maganda pang ID picture yan, Dad.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, white background.
Siyempre, again, hindi laging perfect.
Pero still be thankful.
Oo naman. Tsaka nakapag-picture tayo last time dito.
Oo nga.
Naalala mo, hindi nga lang dito mismo, sa baba. Kasi wala pa tayong pambayad dito noon. Dahil naubos sa agency. Hi, oh, happy naman sila, oh. O, diba? Yan naman yung mga best view dito, guys. Yung mga tawa na nilang hindi matawaran. Ang cute. Good thing ate bought it, even if you said you didn't want it. Can you reach it? Oh, balik ta. Oh. Did it work? I will carry you. Wait lang.
It's not worth it.
Why?
It's all foggy.
Yeah, finally we found the exit. I don't know. There. And then maybe we could try yung pizza mamaya for dinner for this guy. Huh? You do? Okay, let's see if we can buy something. Is it? Okay, wait. Let's have a picture here. Okay, one last shopping before we go back to Manila. Oh. Okay lang. Go, you can do it. Oh, wait. I'll help you. Oh, no. Yeah. Come here. I'll go push it. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay. You're welcome.
This Mickey Mouse.
You don't get everything. You check first. You ask Ate if you could get it.
$50 and 40. So
Okay.
40 plus 50. 90.
Yes.
So $180 for 3.
Ayan guys, na-hold up tayo. At puro chocolates pa. Pero actually, yeah, this is a good experience for the kids, especially. You're making friends again? She said, guys, grabe, effort siya mag-make friends. Tagalagahay sa mga bata nakikita niya. My little shopper. Ganda rito eh, oh.
Candy.
Is that free? $10.
70. Do you need? Like, we're gonna...
You have a shopping bag in your ano with
Yes. Gusto ko yung may dala tayong SM bag.
Gusto ko yung bumili ka ng dalawang Disneyland na shopping bag. Pero ang nadala mo yung
Ang SM. How much lahat?
$880. So, pumapatak na sa 6,000 plus.
Ah, 6,000 for chocolates. Let's
Not
go.
only chocolates, they got candies as well.
Okay.
Well, you know what?
Oh.
The last time we went here, they just took a picture because we couldn't afford anything.
Oo nga. Totoo. Let's go.
Yep, now we can. Yay, candies.
So we're going back here via the peak tram. Last time, ang nasakyan namin is yung pababa lang na ganito.
I'm on a sugar crush. I'm so happy.
Ang saya-saya nila.
Lot of candy.
Oh. Oh my gosh. Those giggles. You can't pay those. That's supposedly the view. There. Oh, there. You see it?
Look at the rainbow tower.
Yeah. Okay, since it's our last night here, we're taking the double-decker bus.
Front view.
You. Okay. Lakas na trip. Magkano mo sa'yo, mahal?
$2 for the kids, $4 for us.
We're having an adventure here. We're trying to figure out how to get to TST via bus.
This is how you know the station.
Hi.
We actually don't know what we're doing, guys, exactly.
We're just playing it by ear.
Yeah.
Where are we going?
We're going to the Rico County.
Hi, mommy.
Hi.
Where are we?
Yeah.
I don't know.
You basta Rico, you do that.
Boom! Yung akala mo babangga lagi. Parang wala pang 1 meter yung distance, so.
Now you get started.
Yeah. It's 11-minute taxi ride to the hotel.
No.
You wanna try that?
Yes.
Sige.
It's an auto door, so you
Yeah,
can
go.
already pass.
Yeah.
Why behind you?
And then... Oh, sorry. Pupunta ako sa other side. Okay. So, ito hindi natin alam kung magkano aabutin.
What hotel?
Regal Kowloon?
Hotel.
PST?
PST.
Regal Kowloon. Oh, let's have a game. Take a guess how much it will cost us. We started at $27. Now it's $36.50.
60.
60? Okay. Gisela, your guess.
Around 60 to 50. 107. Yeah.
107? Okay.
May budal pa.
Ako, I'll go for 90. Ikaw, mami?
80.
I'm
Okay.
going for
Remember your sure ito mami tama na on. PST na ako. I can see Shangri-La from here. Shangri-La is near our hotel, di ba?
Yeah. Yes.
Mukhang 90. Mukhang 90 to. 70 na yun. So, we're here. Look at that. That's our hotel.
Wait, maybe I win.
No, it's 72. Your guess is 80, mami.
97.
I remember the bus passing by this area.
Are you
Empire
sure?
Center. Yes. May station doon sa bus natin na Empire Center.
For real? Oh my goodness.
But it's okay.
Yeah, it was fun.
Oh, I said
Mommy wins! 78:30. Bongga Ford pala ito. Hindi pwedeng maiwan, syempre. Come on.
Buti nagtaka ako ng cash.
Yeah. Ayan, dito marami pa love ko. May cafe di coral pa ulit. Char lang. Game. Ay, ito, Fuwa Cafe. Looks good. What an adventure with these amazing kids. Kaya mo, kakain mo ba ako? Sige.
Ako, kakain ako talaga.
Ay! Umaatras na si Sel. Okay, looks good, looks good. Cella's having this and looks like it's for everyone already. Wait, did you order rice for this?
5 plates. Yes.
Plates? Plates. Okay. Oh guys, so huling dinner sa Hong Kong, parang bibitayin lang. Alright, so for this dinner, we're paying $367. Medyo mataas siya than a regular meal.
Sabi niya, Mom, I wanna go back to the hotel. Sabi ko, oh yeah, that's our hotel. Sabi ni Ate Sia.
You said, ano?
Oh, we're not lost anymore. We found our way.
Yeah, first to this hotel guys, it's so good.
Excited na siya, oh.
Good morning guys. Grabe. Umaga na kami natulog ni Mami kasi nasiraan kami ng luggage. And then, we even wanted to buy a new luggage sana. Kaya lang, wala namang store na bukas. Anyway, this is our day 8 here in Hong Kong. And also our last day. Ang naging challenge lang namin guys pala is yung deposit namin na $3,000 mahal, no? 14 days after pa pala maibabalik sa account namin. Tignan nyo guys nangyari sa luggage namin, oh. Ayan, ibabalik ni Mami guys yung aming mga octopus card kasi may deposit yun. Magkano na refund?
So around $140 were refunded to us. So there's a charge of $11 refund fee per card.
So yun guys, once na kami nag-add value guys, tapos nakabalik pa ng, ayun pa yung nabalik sa amin. Walang priority lane dito guys. Unfortunately guys, they don't allow this. Kailangan is separate ko to. Hand carry here. Okay, so be ready to give this up if in case they will ask. For our first meal of the day, we're having ito. Oh, I'm having this, the all-day breakfast. Mami, is Zella and Zia gonna share lang or?
Sia's gonna eat on her own, and Stella will share.
Okay.
I paid $420.
Okay.
So I used up $220 worth of HTD and then paid the rest through Visa.
So buti pala nabalik natin yung octopus card, diba? Nagamit natin yung cash doon. Ayan si Mami guys, yung take away niya kagabi, yung take out niya na food, ayan yung kakainin niya. Airplane!
Looks like a toy.
Yun yung ngongping cable car. Hey, you're so busy with your phone.
Hello.
What's the name of your new friend? Huh? Same as yours?
Yeah, but it's S.
It's S. Mukhang lusot ang mga extra bagahe natin ha. Shopping pa more. Daddy Ken sa Ino Challenge pa more.
Did you ask Stella?
Not there, not there.
Next time na yan, anak.
Next time yan. For now, economy muna tayo. Yay! Nakalusot ang toy! This is the good thing with this stroller. You can easily fold it and put it in the cabin.
Yeah.
Daddy, you
Yes?
know the guy at the entrance, like,
What?
he said, can I borrow? Tapos kala ko i-check lang. Tapos yung guy ko, sabi niya, oh, we have a nice sauce.
You wanna change with mom?
You wanna be here? In my seat?
Okay.
Alright, happy now?
Yeah.
Walang naiwang gamit. Success. Anyway, thank you for watching this vlog. Thank you for joining us on this 8-day trip. Yes, good job sa mga nakahula sa Facebook. Kung ilang araw kami. Parang wala. Anyway, yeah. Thank you for watching. Okay, bye-bye, kids.
Ng tulong maaari nito, ito na yung
Bye.